How to prevent WhatsApp spam. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Now open a chat from the list. Then, go to the top and tap on the person's name. Here, you can view their profile information and also manage their chat settings. Scroll down to the end and tap on Block. Tap on Block again to confirm. Blocked contacts will no longer be able to call you or send you messages. You have now successfully blocked this person. Now go back to the chat page. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. This is the WhatsApp settings page. Here, go over to Privacy. Now tap on Last Seen and Online. Here, you can choose who can see your last seen and when you're online on WhatsApp. Select Nobody under the Who Can See My Last Seen section. Also, make sure that the next section is set to same as last seen. If you don't share your last seen and online, you won't be able to see other people's last seen and online as well. Now go back to the privacy page and tap on About. Here, you can choose who can see your about information on WhatsApp. Here, select Nobody. Then go back and go to Groups. On this section, you can choose who can add you to groups. Make any changes if you want, and then go back. Then, go to Status. Here, you can choose who can see your status updates on WhatsApp. Make any changes if you want, and then go back and refresh the page to check if the changes have been saved. Following these steps, you can easily prevent WhatsApp spam.